Hi, kids. Okay, we are going to do the spelling test for this week, and it is adding the suffix endings S-E-D or I-N-G to words that have more than one syllable. And it can be a closed syllable or it can be a V-E syllable, vowel, consonant, E. And they can be intermixed, okay? So you should have numbered your paper 1 to 6 on the left-hand side, circling the numbers like we've done all year long. And I will start with the words. I will use them in a sentence, and then you will mark them up as you write them. Okay, here we go. Number 1, insisted. She insisted that she wanted to take me to lunch. Insisted. Insisted. And remember, the suffix is not part of the syllable. That should be circled. And then it'll be a 2-syllable word. Insisted. Number 2, expected. I expected to have my work completed by 5 o'clock. Expected. 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 So mark the syllables, mark the suffix, any blends or diagraphs that you see. Number 3, finishing. She should be finishing her book by tomorrow. Finishing. Finishing. Number 3, disrupting. He was very disrupting to the class. Disrupting. 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 Remember, if I'm going too fast, pause it to catch up. Number 5, publishing. He is publishing a new book next year. Publishing. Publishing. Number 6, mistakes. Mistakes. Did you count the mistakes on the math sheet? Mistakes. Mistakes. Okay, now we're going to go to 7. So you're going to go over to the halfway point on your paper and make a column going down. Make sure you give yourself enough room so everything's not crowded. Number 7, reptiles. I love to go see the reptiles at the zoo. Reptiles. Number 8, unzips. He unzips his coat before taking it off. Unzips. Number 9 is napkins. Napkins. Did you put the napkins on the table when I asked you to set it? Napkins. Number 10 is bed bugs. Don't get bit by bed bugs. Bed bugs. Okay, now we have the 3 trick words. So number 11 is work. Did you finish your work for the day? Work. Number 12 is word. That is a very hard word to spell. And then you should put 13 at the top of your next page, and you only use one line, and you'll start a new one for the sentences. So 13 is write. My first grade class loves to write stories. right. Okay, now we are going to do 2 sentences. So go to the next line, and this will be number 14. And your first sentence is, this is a long one. Dave is finishing the dishpans in the sink. Dave is finishing the dishpans in the sink. And I want this all to be marked up, and you need to have your proper punctuation. Dave is finishing the dishpans. Dave is finishing the dishpans in the sink. Dave is finishing the dishpans in the sink. Okay. And number 15 is, Dad insisted that I do this work. Dad insisted that I do this work. Dad insisted that I do this work. Now, boys and girls, go back through, make sure you have proper punctuation, and make sure everything's been marked up and that it's your very best work. I know you can do it. Good job, kiddos.